All right, I want to apologize for the confusion centered around the skills review homework. I was getting some questions from kind of a peppering of students, but definitely not everyone, about the confusion that they were facing in regards to the skills review. And so they were coming here to the modules. And what I noticed is that there were some students that completed it successfully. I have two stats classes and actually a Math 300 class where I'm doing the same thing. And I had probably a handful of students already complete the assignment. And so I reached out to one of them and they showed me what they did. And so I'm going to show you the easiest way. So the easiest way to accomplish what we need to in order to do the skills review is to click on the modules. Well, actually, that's not the easiest way. Most of you were coming right here to Chapter 1 Skills Review and clicking on that. Um, you have to have your pop-up windows open. It is possible to get there, but what we found was the most efficient was to click on the MyMathLab Mastering button. So when you're ready to do this skills test, which still have the same due date, one way to get there, it's not the only way, but we feel like it's the easiest one to show, is to click on the Open MyMathLab Mastering. And so it's going to open up a brand new window that's hosted by Pearson. And you're going to come here to assignments. So it's going to navigate to course home. You're going to see some things that I have as the instructor. You can see that we've already had 2 people complete homework 1.1 and they got 100%. We have 2 that have completed the skills review already. Again, one of those I've reached out to. Now, I don't think you're going to see that. I'm seeing that as the instructor, but you're going to click on assignments. And when you click on assignments, what we want you to do, and what the confusing nature was, Canvas would not bring in this skills check. And as you go to the skills review, it says, hey, you need to do the skills check first. Because what's happening in the skills check is they're giving you some problems to do. And if you master those problems, it will give you full credit for the skills review. You won't have to do a single one in that section. So that's what happened to both students that I talked to. They got into the skills check, demonstrated that they had mastery of those skills, and they got 100% on the skills review. There was no second portion to do. However, if they would have missed a concept, the skills review would help them review that as well. And so you'll just click on this skills check and it will bring it up and have you start the test. Now it is a test as opposed to a homework. So you're checking those skills and then they'll make a specific assignment for you that is unique to your performance here. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel out of this, but that's how you get to the skills review and how you do that. All right. Thanks for your patience and all this. I appreciate the quick feedback from everybody. And this is what we'll do. We'll just work together in order to make this a very successful experience. And just as a reminder, these skills checks and skills review, they're all part of the Stat 10 portion of your grade. All right. Have a great day.